How's it going? Today I'm going to do an installation of the Hansshow Yoke steering wheel inspired by the Model S and X on my Model Y Performance. So wish me luck. Check your steering wheel first before ordering. Mine was a 5.7, which is the US made Model Y. They initially sent me the 6.6, which was a China made version. I did have to move my control box from my old steering wheel to this new yoke because my scroll functions and my horn did not work, so keep that in mind. I do show you how to move it in this video. Okay, so I'm about to take apart this steering wheel because I need to get this box out of there. It's right here. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this section where I take apart the steering wheel. I want to get to the section where I take out the control box and move it to the new yoke. So here we go. So first let me disconnect this harness right here. Probably going to push down on that. There, that's one. And could have swore there was another module, but I'll just take that one off for now. Gonna use a, looks like a T10. And I'll take it out from here. And that comes off. Okay, upon looking in the box, I noticed that this piece came with it. Here's the control box that I just took out. So apparently it looks like you just take this apart. Take the control module out. Let's see if I could do it like this. Okay. Go. And then you open this one up. Guess you put this one in here. And that's it. So you still could use the old box. And I could put the old one back in in its original spot so I don't lose anything. So I could do that later. So let's work on this one. Okay. I'm going to reference this a little later. See where that plugs in, because I see that there. I see the plug here. It looks like it's already plugged into something, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so we'll mess with you later. I got that here. Alright, so now to the new steering wheel. I'm going to have to also release these clips here. Let's see here. That releases this, so I can take off. And it looks like they're just regular screws now. If I can get a one, two, three, four. Okay. This way. Let's go ahead and take this off, because we got to get into here. Just gonna pry this off here. Actually, let's take those screws off. One, two, three, and that screw right there. Okay. Okay, let's try to pry this. Looks like there's something right there. So there's that part. Okay. I'm not going to take everything out. Just trying to get to this here. Trying to get to the control module. I think it'd be good like that, but we got to get it to where. Sorry about the noise. There we go. Gotta push it down. Wait, why does it look different now? It's actually as low as I could take it. And this would go right there. Okay, so let's see this. Oh look, it already came off. I think this goes right here. And what do you know, there's no screws that hold it in like that one. No screws that come out. But hey, what do you expect? It's the manufacturer. Okay, so it's like this. I wish I had some screws to put on. I have a feeling it's going to be loose, but what can you do? Hansshow. It's Hansshow quality. Wait, was I supposed to screw? Wait, let me think about this. I don't think these are the same screws. Totally smaller. Okay. With you as my witness, you saw that there were no screws. That thing came off. I didn't see any screws anywhere. So I'm going to try to put this on. Hopefully that it stays in. Just clips, but there's no screws. Let's get everything back on. Let's get this one in. Okay, what's that? And what was that for? Oh, shoot. Oh, Okay, I had to go get a screwdriver, so let me put these back on here. Just gonna put this on just because. Okay, that's all in. So now I got to make sure I put these on correctly. Just got to put the clips on where they belong. Okay, there. Let's make sure the wire harness. Make sure the wires go in. Okay, without any intrusion. This one. So let's check the back. All the clips are on. This one, there, 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 there. Okay. So all of these are for the old steering wheel. Put this cover back on. I'll get it. Okay, so I'm going to do a test fit first before we even start putting it back together. So you can see I already took off the steering wheel prior. Oops. Okay, so you can see that steering wheel control buttons and horns unavailable. So I'm going to put this on. Pretty easy. I'm going to snap this in. Hey, what do you know? I have my scroll wheel back. Horn. Horn works. Okay. And that's it. Let me go ahead and screw everything back on. I have the airbag. I'm just going with the stock one. Okay. Got my 10mm hex. I'll put it back in. Screw that in. Okay. Okay, that's good. I'll torque it down. Let's go ahead and put the airbag back on. Everything looks okay. Right. The airbag connection is right there. Then put this in, and it should honk when it's in. Oops. Uh-oh. And there it is, folks. No errors. I'll go ahead and reboot. Just because there's a new device. Just want to apologize for all the heavy breathing. I got a new mount for my GoPro that I was wearing on my chest, and it looks like I was breathing right into the GoPro itself. Not going to do a big review on this yoke. I did take it for an hour-and-a-half drive up north, and I did like it. It took a little bit to get used to, but eventually I got used to driving with it, and it was actually not bad. I'm going to keep it on. Do I recommend this? Well, you got to try it for yourself. It might not be for everybody, but see what you think. The lights do turn on, the scroll lights, the arrows on the left and right. The leather does feel, the Napa leather does feel like my original steering wheel. So those two. It does clear my knees. You do have to adjust your steering wheel, probably lower it a little bit, but overall it should be fine. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And once again, you do have to move the control box to the new yoke. Thank you.